Looking to add timeless beauty and warmth to your home? Discover the natural elegance of wooden flooring where style meets sophistication. Our premium wooden flooring comes in a variety of wood types, from rich oak to sleek walnut and smooth maple, offering a range of colors and textures to suit any decor. Wooden flooring is more than just beautiful, it's incredibly durable and easy to maintain. Installing wooden flooring requires precision and expertise. Our team ensures every plank is perfectly laid, creating a seamless, flawless finish that enhances the natural beauty of the wood. Ready to elevate your home with the timeless elegance of wooden flooring? Contact us or visit our website today. Experience the warmth, beauty, and quality of wooden flooring because your home deserves nothing less than perfection.